And by the way, my camera is fixed now. I just googled it, and on Twitter somebody said that they had the same issue with the camera not recording any videos. So somebody tweeted they have to reformat it. So somehow she just found it out and then tweeted again that you have to reformat it, your SD card or something. So I looked it up and now I've done it. And now the SD card is called Canon SD card, which is weird because it's not from Canon. But now I think apparently you have to just adapt it to the camera so it will record. And now I can film my video. I also cleaned my windows. Look how pretty, beautiful it is. Wait, let me just fix the lighting for you guys. Does it do anything even? Like it doesn't do anything. Well, anyways, sorry about that. Without further ado, let's get started. Good morning, guys. I currently just wake up. Now I'm going to get some breakfast, brush my teeth, and take a shower. Then I will go to help my friend. He's moving out. All my friends are currently moving out. Two friends of mine are currently moving out. Another friend of me moved out last month, a month ago. Now I'm moving out. I mean, I'm done already, but yeah, anyways, so I'm going to help him. Then we're going to eat. Then I'm going to Ikea with my mom and actually buy some furniture and not some furniture, but some stuff for my house, for my apartment, for my place. And that should be very excited, and I will update you guys later. We'll see each other at the Ikea, I guess. I love you forever and ever and ever. Girl, I'm gonna hold you forever and ever and ever until tomorrow, baby. I got bills to pay. Hi. On my way to my friend's house. Yeah, I'm in the car and now I'm going to pick him up, and yeah, then we will help him move his stuff into the new apartment of his. Yeah, that's it for now, I think. So I set up my camera for you guys with an extra tripod, and seems like it's working, right? And yeah, it's actually sad that he moves out because he lived in like a couple blocks away from me now that I moved out, but now he does, and now he's moving on the other side, to the other side of Vienna, like to the 23rd district. That's quite sad. I would have offered him to move in with me because he needs an apartment for a year and before his new apartment is ready to be moved in. But now I think like I just want to have my own private space and like focus on furniture by my own. He would like, oh, he's calling me. Hello?
الو کجایی؟
بیا دم در دیگه، ما اومدم. خداحافظ. Drove over yellow light. So yeah, that's it for I think. So I have to keep my eyes on the road. I hope you guys don't mind. Well, yeah, after then I will go meet up with my mom. She will take me to Ikea and we will buy some pillows, maybe some rugs. I mean, rugs can wait for now because they're quite expensive, so I have to actually save up for that.
yeah, that's it for now. Yeah, then we will go to eat dinner, and I don't know where. My friend told me it's a surprise, somewhere I've never been to, but I'm quite excited and I'm hungry as fuck. Yeah, do you like my new camera? I love it. Okay, now I have to turn around. Yeah, that's. I love vlogging, right? I think it helps me maintain my English skills, because otherwise I wouldn't use them at all. Yeah. Oh wow, the sun is shining. It's quite warm today. It's like 10 degrees outside, right? No, 8.5. Feels like 10. Hallo? Told here. Vale?
کجاست؟
میگم در یک کوچه پایین تر است میام بالا. پارکینگ کار داشت. Jag kan inte nysta det. Ja. Nej men okej. Då kör jag detta. Förlåt. Well, I have to go, guys. See you later. Hello, you guys. So sorry that I haven't vlogged till now. Well, the thing is that we had to help with the furniture and stuff and transport the stuff to the new apartment. That's why I thought that it wouldn't be appropriate to vlog the whole time. So I didn't. And now I'm heading back home to pick up my mom. And then I will go to Ikea with her, and that's it for this tonight. Maybe I'll go for dinner, but maybe not, because I'm a little bit tired and done with the day. Yeah, that's it for now. I hope the transitioning isn't too bad, because I mean, not transitioning, because the transitions. Well, the last time it was daylight and I was in the car as well. And now I will have to continue in the car, but with no daylight, and that's a little bit too prompt. Yeah, I hope I will be able to end the vlog properly. Yeah, I actually wanted to study, but I did, but not too much, but at least it was something. Yeah, that's it. What else am I gonna say? Whoa! Look, the prices for petrol changed like in 2 hours. Yeah, petrol is very, very cheap on Fridays. Just in case you didn't know. What else? I'm very dehydrated. I have to tell you guys, I'm thirsty as fuck. You can probably hear from my energy. Yeah, I'm just trying to find the highway back home. Well, I have to turn left. Right? Do I hope I'm not wrong. Yeah, I love this new camera. Yeah, I don't know. It just get ready for vlogs, for back-to-back vlogs, for new content. I know I heard, probably you heard as well, the new policy with YouTube. I think YouTubers are not going to get paid that well, but I will continue, man. That won't stop me. I don't do it for money. I just do it for fun. I would do it anyways. Anyway, I think in my life I would always want to have a YouTube channel, and I want to do it before it gets too late and I will regret it forever, because then I will be too old and nobody wants to listen to me or watch my videos. Well, yeah, so I'm still trying to get used to it. It's something new, you know, nobody does it here, but I will be the first. I don't know if I'm the first one, you can say that, probably, because I do it in English. I speak English in my vlogs. And yeah, I will also have new content Well, I will do a what's in my closet, or my favorite pieces right now. That's something that I'm looking forward to do. But now I have to focus on studying and finding a job and doing the moving stuff I need to do still. But yeah, this week it should be done. Like, I should be done with moving and buying stuff for now. I mean, there's still lots of things to do decoration wise, but nevertheless, I'm still happy for the results. I will do a. Why do I look like this? I will do a house tour, an apartment tour. Soon. Oh, the light. Oh, finally. Sorry for the lights. Yeah. Bad lighting sometimes. Yeah, I will have to go. Oh my god, it's been 5 minutes since I'm talking.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you.
So I'm currently in Ikea. I lost my mom. Yeah, I'm going to find her. Such nice stuff. I love this mirror. It's very high up there. So I'm at Ikea right now. Ikea. I found my mom. Here she is. So far we bought like some pillows, kitchen stuff, and this little rug. Tell me what you think about this. Yeah. So I'm back home, it's the next day. Yeah, I bought some pillows and some pillow covers in white and beige and this fluffy one. Then I bought like some rugs for my bathroom and toilet, and then some spatulas. And yeah, I bought some light bulbs as well because some of them broke when my friends were over. Yeah. Trash bags. This is a good smelling candle. It's like vanilla, but vanilla ice. It smells very good. Much different from the other one I bought. This is also, I think, vanilla. I don't know what this is. Can you focus? Yeah. Okay. This is a different picture from the other one, but it smells also different. But I think it's also vanilla, but it's a different vanilla. Yeah, then I bought like a baking pan, I don't know what you call this, some glasses, and over here we have a pan, a cover so the oil won't flush or leak, and yeah, we have here a trash bin. Yeah, and also I bought these cacti. I don't know if I want to keep them because they fell and broke, so I'm not sure. They got very dirty. Maybe I'll throw them away. And then I have my Vegemite that I got from Australia. I left this at my parents' home. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, I changed the light bulbs. Yeah, also I got this one. Yeah, that's it for now. I will show you guys when I put these all together. Yeah, see you guys. I like the structure of this pillow a lot. I saw on the display it was very destroyed, but I hope it won't get bad that quickly. So I love the structure, but I think it will loosen up a little bit by the time. I'm not quite sure if I like this one. It will do, it'll do, won't it? These are my little candles. I realized that this one is much smaller than the other one, so we have 3 different sizes. They all smell very good, so don't worry about that. This is I like the result a lot. This is as much pillows it will get, and now I will focus on my bed. So I think I might go to McDonald's if I have enough time. Let's see where my friend is. If he is at home already, I will go to him straight away. If not, I will pick up something to eat. Yeah, that's it for now. Yeah, I will update you guys later. Bye!